Ciao friends, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. And today we're going to start with your class, that is your quantitative aptitude class, and that is your class is your 212th class of the session, and that's what we'll discuss here. So in 212th we had completed your 201th class where we had completed your 18th question of the session. So now today we'll start discussing about the 19th question of the session here. So the questions we have as follows. A train 132-meter long passes a telegraph pole in 6 seconds. Find the speed of the train. The options were 70 km per hour, 72 km per hour, 79.2 km per hour, and 80 km per hour. This has been the very important question. So let's go for the same here. So before starting with the same, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with like, share and subscribe so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and you can also enjoy the video as well. So here we go. 19th question of the session. So the 19th question we have. A train 132-meter long passes a telegraph pole in 6 seconds. Find the speed of the train. On the options we have here, 70 km per hour, 72 km per hour, 79.2 km per hour, and 80 km per hour. So we'll be finding it out. Let's find the speed here, because we have to find out the speed. Speed is equals to 132 upon 6 meter per second. Then it will be 22 into 18 upon 5. We convert it into kilometer per hour. As I told you in the first class, we'll complete convert meter per second into kilometer per hour. It will be 18 by 5. We have to multiply with the same. Now cancel it out. It will be 79.2 km per hour. That is the solution here. Now we go for the another question, that is the 20th question of the session, and the question is: a train covers a distance of 12 km in 10 minutes. If it takes 6 seconds to pass a telegraph post, then the length of the train is. The options were 90 meter, 100 meter, 120 meter, and 140 meter. This has been asked in the bank PO question paper. So let's find out the solution here. So here we go. A train covers a distance of 12 km in 10 minutes. If it takes 6 seconds to pass a telegraph post, then the length of the train is. So that the length of the train is, we have to find out. Options, this has been asked in the bank view question paper. The options were here is 90 meter, 100 meter, 120 meter and 140 meter. So we'll go for the same. Speed is equals to 12/10 into 60 kilometer per hour, which is 72 into 5/18 meter per second. That is equals to 20 meter per second. Now length of the train, equals to speed into time, which is 20 into 6 meter. So 2 6 at 12, so it has been 120 meter. Now we go for another one, which is the another important question here, and that has been the important one as well. The question is your 21st question of the session. The question is, a train 240 meter long passed a pole in 24 seconds. How long will it take to pass a platform 650 meter long? This has been asked in RRB examination paper. The options were 65 seconds, 89 seconds, 100 seconds and 150 seconds. So we go for the same here. So 21st question of the session. A train 240 meter long passed a pole in 24 seconds. How long will it take to pass the platform 650 meter long? This has been asked in RRB examination paper. So let's find it out. Options were 65 seconds, 89 seconds, 100 seconds and 150 seconds here. So we'll go for the same. So speed is equals to equals to 240 upon 24 meter per second equals to 10 meter per second. So required time equals to 240 plus 650 upon 10 second. That will comes under 89 seconds. That will be having as an answer here. Now we're gonna end up here only, and then we'll discuss the rest of the question in the next coming class, of course. And so other than that, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with like, share and subscribe, so that many maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. Other than this, if I'm talking about quantitative aptitude, so yes, we are dealing with the chemistry for class 11th and 12th, NCERT solution with the physics as well, NCERT solutions with the topics and the numericals as well. Other than that, talk about it, we had completed your reasoning, which is your verbal reasoning and the non-verbal reasoning. And after that, we talk about in terms of quantitative aptitude also. We had started with arithmetical ability. Here we had completed your numbers, SCF and LCF of numbers, decimal fractions, simplifications, square roots and cube roots, problems on numbers, problems on ages, sum and indices, percentage, profit and loss, ratio and proportion, partnership, chain rule, time and work, pipe and system, time and distance, problems on train, boards and streams, allegations or mixture, simple interest, compound interest, logarithm, area, volume and surface area, races and games of skills, calendar, clock, stocks and shares, permutations and combinations, probability, to discount, bankers discount, height and distance or min or series. In terms of data interpretation, we have to cover up the tabulations, bar graph, pie charts and line graph. So here we're gonna end up with. Thank you. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on the comment box. Thank you.